So push everything in your hand. Yes, just like that. Now blow. Now shake it. Tell your mother me teacher that she shall be proud. Where everybody I worry about my blood clot ear for, I put it up on my mannequin head, see it there. See it there for when me I go out, so. Prince tell him to leave me alone now, tell him no. Yo, no love my woman now. I still have my man.
Saucy.
Princess. Send me a dick pic. So the fucking idiot save the bitch name as mom. Call me my fool. Dirty germs! Hold that, your mom texts you. Yes, fuck her. Open the blood clot phone, come once where your uncle send you. Guess my baby just call me. Baby, tell him where you call me. Tell him where you just call me. The nickname where you just call me. A munchkin? And call him a munchkin. I'ma call him butterscotch. Your pussy not good until I get a nickname.
Man, I the least of my problem. So me left idiot.
You know what I mean? For that with. And I'm really and truly happy with Suzan still. Prince, you really mean to tell me you don't want that body, yeah? No, bitch, me want it! No! Prince! Suzan, no! Suzan, stop! Suzan, stop! Suzan!
Suzan, I want back my blood clot, man.
Every other day I just ring off my phone. And my fault, your man love off me. Come take your man, my